Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we will be looking at installing Composer, which is our dependency manager for PHP. Now, one of the major features or major advantages to open source and using the open source community is that people are always developing tools and bootstrapping existing methods, making it faster or making it easier for us to develop apps faster. And so with all of this information available to us, a dependency manager becomes essential because it helps us to manage which libraries and tools we're referencing. And so Composer is the most popularly used one for PHP. So you can go ahead and browse the packages and just look through some of the things that might be available to you and how it may be used. But ultimately in this video we just want to download it and install it. So I'll just go ahead and click download and I'll run this Composer setup download link and I'll just run that file. And the installation process is pretty straightforward. We can just go ahead and click next and allow it to do its thing. The order in which I'm installing the things, XAMPP and then this, is essential because this may not install properly if PHP does not exist on the system. So we just want to go ahead and install after XAMPP so that all of the existing dependencies are indeed and in fact there. So once we finish, we can validate that it exists by going to our command prompt. So I can just search for CMD, or you may have a different operating system, so just bring up your command prompt and then you can type in the word Composer. And then if you see something looking like this, don't panic, it's good. It means that it is installed and they're just saying you probably need some help. Now once again, this Composer application, it's command line as you probably would have deduced by now, but it actually allows us to just install maybe a Bootstrap framework or somebody's impression of a CSS framework or something that we see on the internet once they would have hosted it with the library that is called Composer, or that Composer makes available. Once they would have published a package, then we have the opportunity to download it directly into our project. If there's an update, we can install that update just by running a command here, and Composer will go out and fetch all those files and replace what needs to be replaced and make that whole package management process very easy for us. As we go along, you see the relevance of it, but we just want to make sure that we're covering all bases, and so we have installed it and we can move on to the next mission.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skills, stay connected by subscribing. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.